Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best winter photo booth props is probably one of the most exciting ways to add a touch of festive fun and create unforgettable memories during your holiday gatherings, parties, or even just a casual winter get-together, ensuring that every snapshot captures the joy and spirit of the season with a playful and memorable twist that will have your guests smiling long after the event is over. Number 5. Blue Panda Wedding Photo Booth Props, 72-piece Floral Cardstock Set. Introducing our 72-piece wedding photo booth prop set, designed to add a delightful variety of vibrant fun to your special day. It's perfect for capturing the essence of joy at any wedding-related event. This comprehensive set includes whimsical props like fake mustaches, diamond rings, and champagne glasses. Enhance your event with playful designs and unique party signs that everyone will love. With sizes ranging from 3 by 2 to 10 by 7 inches, these are ideal for capturing those memorable moments. They are perfect for group photos at bachelorette parties or bridal showers. Crafted from high-quality cardstock with a glossy finish, these props are built to last. They come with wooden sticks and adhesive stickers for quick and easy assembly. Perfect for bachelorette parties and bridal showers, this set adds a touch of joy and vibrancy. Capture the celebratory spirit of weddings with these engaging photo booth props. This complete set provides everything you need to create a fun and memorable photo booth experience. Get ready for laughter and amazing pictures. What we like. This set offers an extensive collection of 72 pieces, ensuring a prop for every guest and every moment. Its durable cardstock construction means it can withstand a lively party. If you're planning a large wedding celebration or a multi-day event, and want maximum variety and longevity from your props, this is the choice for you. What people say. The props are made of sturdy cardstock and are well printed. The variety of props included is great, with many different winter-themed items. They are a good size for photos and easy to hold. Number 4. Snowflake Photo Booth Props. Planning a Frozen-themed party? These props are a must-have to create a fun atmosphere and encourage memorable photos for everyone. This kit includes 38 different cutouts, offering a great variety for all your party occasions. You'll find hats, snowflakes, eyeglasses, and more. Setting up is a breeze. Simply select the props you want and attach them to the included paper sticks with the provided glue. Crafted from high-quality cardstock with strong paper sticks and secure adhesive, these props are built to last for all your photo-taking fun. Perfect for holiday parties, Christmas celebrations, or any winter Wonderland event, these decorations add a touch of magic to your festivities. We're here to help. If you have any questions about our products, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. With 38 unique cutouts, this kit provides a fantastic range of themed accessories for a truly immersive experience. The designs are perfect for a Frozen-themed party or any winter Wonderland celebration. If you're looking for props that specifically tie into a popular winter movie theme and want plenty of options for guests to choose from, this is an excellent pick. What people say. Great color quality for the price. They were fun and easy to assemble. Worked well for our photo booth. We had a winter Wonderland party for our homeschool group and the kids loved these. Number 3. Big Dot of Happiness Winter Wonderland Photo Props. Get ready to capture unforgettable moments with our winter Wonderland photo props. These fun accessories are perfect for any holiday gathering, adding a touch of magic to your photos. Assembly is a breeze. Simply attach the props to the included sticks and watch the smiles appear. They're ready for action in no time. Whether it's a holiday party, a winter wedding, or a baby shower, these props are a hit with everyone. They're designed to bring joy to both kids and adults. Beyond the photo booth, these props can be used in creative ways. Decorate centerpieces, add flair to candy buffets, or simply share the fun by taking memorable photos. Crafted from durable cardstock, these props boast a no-mess glitter print for maximum sparkle. They're designed to impress and last throughout your event. Feel good about your purchase knowing these festive props are designed and manufactured with care in our Wisconsin facility. What we like. This kit features a unique no-mess glitter print, giving you all the sparkle without the cleanup hassle. It's also proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality craftsmanship. If you love the festive look of glitter but want to avoid the mess, or if supporting domestic manufacturing is important to you, this is the set to consider. What people say. The props are made of sturdy cardstock and are well printed. The variety of props is great, with many different winter-themed items included. Number 2. 27 pieces Snowflake Photo Booth Props Kit. Get ready to capture unforgettable moments with our 27-piece Snowflake Photo Booth Props Kit. It's designed to add fun and excitement to any winter celebration. With 27 unique designs, you can create countless hilarious combinations for your photos. It's perfect for ensuring everyone gets in on the fun and creates a joyful atmosphere. Crafted from high-quality cardstock and sturdy sticks, these props are built to last. You can even enjoy the fun of assembling them yourself, creating cherished memories. Featuring rich colors and vivid patterns, these props are a hit at any Christmas or winter party. They'll help you create personalized and precious photos to remember the day. Assembly is a breeze with the included wooden sticks and tape. Just a few simple steps and you'll have sturdy, fun props ready for guests to enjoy, fostering pleasant interaction. These versatile props are suitable for all ages and occasions, from Christmas parties to winter birthdays. Let them help create a lasting impression and beautiful memories for everyone. What we like. Boasting 27 distinct patterns in rich, vivid colors, these props are designed to make your photos pop. Their versatility means they're not just for Christmas but suitable for a wide range of winter events. If you want props that are visually striking and can be used across multiple winter occasions, from holidays to birthdays, this set offers great value and impact. What people say. The images were cute and my daughter enjoyed them for her winter-themed birthday party. The kids had a blast choosing their sign to hold. Nice quality. Fit well with winter blues theme. The cutouts are cute and are more appropriate for decorations. Number 1. Blulu Winter Snowflake Photo Booth Props Kit. Get ready to capture unforgettable moments with our Winter Snowflake Photo Booth Props Kit. It's the perfect addition to any winter celebration. This comprehensive kit includes 20 unique props, wooden sticks, and adhesive dots for quick and easy assembly. You'll have everything you need to get the party started. Setting up is a breeze. Simply attach the props to the sticks with the provided adhesive dots. You'll save time and can focus on enjoying your event. These props aren't just for photos. Use them as charming table decorations, add them to centerpieces, or incorporate them into floral arrangements for a complete winter Wonderland theme. Crafted from thick cardstock with vibrant printing, these props are built to last. They are ready to assemble and designed for endless fun. Perfect for both adults and kids, these props will help you create hilarious and memorable photos. Share the joy and make lasting memories with friends and family. What we like. This set comes with 20 winter Wonderland themed props, all featuring sturdy 100% wood sticks for added durability. The easy assembly process means less time preparing and more time celebrating. If you prioritize sturdy construction, especially for the sticks, and want a straightforward setup for your winter party or wedding, this is a reliable and fun option. What people say. The props are made of sturdy cardstock and are well printed. The variety of props included is great, with many different winter-themed items. They are the perfect size for photos and add a fun element to any winter event. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.